React. What is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It was developed by Facebook and is currently maintained by Facebook and a community of individual developers and companies. React allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of these components in an efficient and scalable way. React is based on the idea of components, which are small, self-contained modules that encapsulate a piece of UI and its behavior. Components can be nested inside one another to build complex UIs. React uses a syntax called JSX, JavaScript XML, to define components. JSX allows developers to write HTML-like code inside JavaScript files. React also uses a virtual DOM, document object model, to optimize the rendering of components. The virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the real DOM that React uses to keep track of changes in the component tree. When a change occurs, React updates the virtual DOM and then calculates the minimum number of changes needed to update the real DOM, which improves performance. React provides a way to manage the state of a component using the useState hook. When the state changes, React automatically re-renders the component. React also provides a way to handle user events, such as button clicks, using event handlers. Overall, React provides a powerful and flexible framework for building complex user interfaces. Basics of React. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of these components in an efficient and scalable way. Here are some of the basic concepts and features of React: components, JSX, virtual DOM, state, props and events. We will detailedly see the React basic features in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.